ReQuiz review, graphing square roots, question number 6. It says to graph the square root parent function, identify the domain, the range, the vertex, x-intercept, y-intercept, and the equation. So let me go ahead and graph the parent. The points would be 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, and 9, 3. So there's our graph. And they want us to identify the domain, the range, the vertex, the x-intercept, y-intercept, and give the equation for the parent function. So the domain is the left and the right side of the graph. So if you put your finger and you go to the very left over here, you ask yourself, what is that x value on the left side? That would be 0. Put your finger, go to the very right. The graph keeps going right on x, so that would take you to infinity. That's your domain. The range is the bottom and the top of the graph, so put your finger and go to the very bottom and ask yourself, what is that y value at the bottom? Well, that would be 0. And then put your finger and go up to the top of the graph, which is an arrow. It keeps going up, so if you go up on the y-axis, that would take you to infinity. The vertex is where the graph starts, and that would be right here at this point, and the coordinates of that point would be 0, 0. The x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis, so if you just go to your x-axis, it crosses right there at 0. So you can put the point 0, 0, or you could put x equals 0. Either one of those will be accepted. For the y-intercept, it's where the graph crosses the y-axis. So here's the y-axis, and you just go down until you see where the graph is. It's right here at this point, which is, again, 0, 0. Or you could put y equals 0. And then the last thing is, what is the equation for the parent function? Well, that is the equation y equals square root of x. And where people are making confusion, they're trying to write this down. Y equals a times the square root of x minus h plus k is not the parent function. That's just a general form for the shifting of the graph. The parent function is y equals the square root of x.